Hi everyone, I am Jagannathan, the creator of ktvschool.com, a place where I transmit my thoughts and feelings through blogging, mentoring, and writing about various subjects: life, education, career, personality development, etc. Until now, there are many workshops and training sessions conducted across Tamil Nadu state, which is the part of India. And as of now, from my blog website, 12 posts were published and 65 followers are following. Also, 13,000 plus viewers status as of now. My middle time, I am introducing my this new channel, YouTube channel, blogs and videos. So kindly support me to grow with you, for you to provide or to input more and more videos and topics to your benefits, also the entire community benefits. From today video, just I will show you how short notes about the individual post. From next videos onwards, we will see in another topic. So once again, I am requesting you all to support me by doing subscription, comments, likes and shares. Thank you.
The first one is the career-oriented educational advices after HSC passed. Here, I carefully drafted the industrial experts' inputs based on the parents' request. After reading this post, all parents and students could uncover the right things and get clarified. I hope this will definitely be helpful during this COVID-19 pandemic since the parents and students are unable to meet and discuss with an expert. The second post is the awareness article for the freshers and job seekers about the various industry standards which are followed globally. Many students, teachers, and professionals have been asked about the importance of the standards. Regarding this topic, I have conducted many workshops in various engineering colleges and professional training centers. The third and most interesting title is How to Apply Lean Manufacturing Principles in Industry. What is this? Lean manufacturing is a methodology that focuses on minimizing waste within manufacturing systems while simultaneously maximizing productivity. Lean provides tools and processes to eliminate waste from the manufacturing process, resulting in improved efficiency, effectiveness, and profitability. Coming to the fourth post, the name is Most Effective 5 Steps to Increase Productivity in Every Business Enterprise. The business enterprise is the group of people working as a team to outcome the best results both technically and economically to sustain in the market. In real time, the most organizations do not interact with their personnel. Because of this, employees do not aware of the importance of the business activities. In my past experience from a medium-sized industry, I introduced and implemented the top 5 steps idea and got the best and positive results. Hence, I thought, why don't share with others for their benefits? So, I am here to explain what those 5 most effective steps to obtain the potential results from the employees. Fifth article is talking about the essential trainings needed for mechanical engineers from fresher to experienced. This post talks about all the stages of mechanical engineers who are actively looking for a new career. After careful consideration of the worldwide business establishments, latest expectations and requirements from the applicants, I wish to provide the ideas and tips that are more essential, relevant and helpful for you guys. The sixth post explains about career advices for final year mechanical engineering students. When I visited many colleges for my workshops, I have asked all students whether they have an awareness on career and job. Unfortunately, the answer is no from 80% students. Before moving to the seventh post, I am requesting all students to be familiar with their subject's knowledge along with some value added skills for a better career opportunities. The seventh article says the 10 most important behavioral qualities that makes everyone being unique. The most important thing which makes a person unique is that his or her ability, willingness to be oneself and stand out from the crowd. The most unique people in the world are the people who fully embrace who they are and are willing to live life according to everything that makes up who they are. Being unique or exceptional is the most important character to get attention from others. Practically, it is difficult, but it could be possible if you take some additional effort. I will come with detailed explanation with examples for the individual discipline in the future. Coming to the 8th post, the title is The Wonderful Approach of the 5T Concept in the Modern Learning and Development World. Generally, all teaching and training should comprise both learning and developing skills. It must be a very interested and involvement oriented session. Also, there should be applied proven techniques to convey easily and meaningfully. In a real training room, there is no such established situation. It simply focuses and read through the prepared presentation to the audience. Unfortunately, no trainer thinks and concentrates on a real world scenario. To bridge the gap, KTV School developed the 5T concept and will surely be more beneficial for not only the trainees but for trainers too in the modern teaching and training education. The 5 T's are trait, tips, train, thrive and track. The last but not the least, the 9th topic is top 3 factors that influence personality development. What is personality? Personality is an expression that describes traits a person shows consistently at different times and in different situations. Nearly all victorious people are always looking for new ideas to develop and shine. They aren't pleased with the tolerance of their shortcoming nor inactive of their success. Top achievers put interest and involvement with time and effort into being their best selves. Thank you for watching my channel. Finally, please feel free to comment and don't forget to subscribe.